Hello, good day. My name is Boitshepo Moloi, and I am charismatic, I'm hardworking, and I'm confident, and I appreciate finer things in life. And I want to go to Hollywood because it has always been a dream of mine to stand and shine in front of the cameras, to be example to the youth, to the people out there that dreaming is not enough. You have to dream and work hard for your dream. Thank you. Welcome to Gemstones, Botswana. It is back, bigger and better this time. We are coming to you live from the capital of Botswana, Gaborone, where there is just talent galore. If you think you've got what it takes to be a singer, to be a dancer, to model, if you think you've got the talent, this is your time to shine. Well, Gemstones, it is back in Botswana, and today it is the first day for the auditions. But I need not say more because we need to go for a commercial break. When you come back, we are going to meet the participants to show us what they've got for us and the talents that they have. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere, we'll be right back. Welcome back. Yes, it is Gemstones Botswana. Like I told you before the break, we are just about to meet one of the participants who is the first for today. His name is Chauke. He's an 18-year-old gentleman who hails from Muchudi. He's authentic, he works really hard, and he's worked really hard to achieve his goal. He hopes that one day he will model for the big brands in the world. He will model for fashion, for beauty, for deco, and for sports. Well, let me not say more. Let's just meet the gentleman himself and see how he is going to embrace the catwalk. Well, unfortunately, we've come to the end of this show. Well, you've seen it all. You've heard it all. It is talent. Right now, I have to love and leave you. I hope you've enjoyed myself and learned a lot as much as I have. So let me remind you that you stand a chance to win a trip to Hollywood, where you will mingle, where you will learn, and where you will be empowered and trained on your talent by one of the biggest media gurus. Well, until we meet again next time, come and shine in front of the camera to become a gemstone. Bye.